I'm from Cleer Vision Windows, and we're here at Alliance RV. Now I'm going to show you guys how to replace this latch right here for our emergency exit windows. Now the only tools you guys are going to need are power drill and a rivet handheld. Now it's pretty rare that these latches breaks, but if you twist it too much, anything like that, or just pretty much breaks off, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it real quick. Now first step first, we're going to take off this screen right here. Put it right here to the side, and now we're actually going to go outside. Now once you have this latch engaged and locked, all you're going to do is just drill out these rivet holes right here. Example that one right there, and do another one right here. That one, pop out. So this latch, good to go. It's gonna come out like that. Once you have these rivet holes drilled out, all you're gonna do is put the replacement latch right in here. First, put it right in here, the hole. There you go, just like that. Put it right here. All you're gonna do is now grab your rivet tool with your replacement rivet and put it right in here. You hear that pop, and then that's in there, ready to go. Now I'm gonna do the other one right now. Same thing, grab your replacement rivet right here. Make sure it lines up in the hole, get that in there real good, and start cranking it. There you go. And you are good to go. Look at that. So we just got done riveting from the outside. Now we're here to check our work. Looks good. Just try it out. Good. Looks great like that. Now all we gotta do, just put it back on our screen. We are good to go. Hey guys, well I just showed you how to replace your emergency exit latch, and thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this video was informative to you. Again, I'm Mark Disher here at Cleer Vision. We just want to take a quick second and shout out Alliance RV. We're here at their headquarters here in Elkhart, Indiana. They were gracious enough and good enough partner to us to let us come out and shoot on site on one of their units. Hopefully it's been informative, guys. Talk to you soon.